Lockwood, and I am the founder and CEO of See Change Happen. We specialise in providing advice and consultancy to businesses and organisations around trans and gender non-conforming individuals. Today, this forms part of our bite-sized learning module where we talk about sex, gender and attraction. So let's talk about sex first. Why not? Let's talk about sex and biology. These are the bits you're born with, our chromosomes, our DNA, our hormones, the physical characteristics of our bodies. The bits where the doctor picks us up by the ankles and says, you're a girl, you're a boy. Some people are born with indeterminate organs and they are known as intersex individuals. Let's move on now. Let's talk about gender identity and gender expression. You may have heard the term social construct. Well, gender is something that you evolve. It becomes part of your personality based on life experiences and who you are and your sense of self. And what it means to be a woman in the UK in 2018 is a different sense of self to someone who maybe lives in Africa, India, South America, North America in this year, or if we look back to the previous century. So who we are and how we feel about ourselves is very much based on our social setting and expectations around our role. And how we express ourselves has also evolved. The clothing we wear, how we want to portray ourselves to the world also has varied over time. Pink used to be a traditionally male colour and blue was a traditionally female colour. And now, since the 20th century, those colours are swapped round. So how we're expected to dress, how we're expected to present ourselves to the world, again, evolves over time. So we have our own sense of gender, expression and identity. Then we look at physical attraction. We're all aware of different sexual orientations, so who we're attracted to physically and who we're attracted to emotionally. As we can see, all of these characteristics are different, but they're interlinked. When one's assigned a female at birth or male at birth, traditionally, a female would have had a gender identity and a gender expression of female and be attracted to men. Or a man would have had a biology, gender identity and expression of a male and attracted to females. When we talk about trans and gender non-conforming, or people who are queer or have different sexual orientations, this relationship isn't as traditional and mapped out. As we're all aware, life changes and people are now able to express themselves and align their identity with how they are inside. And they're free to fall in love with whoever they wish and be attracted to anybody. Isn't that a great place to be? So thank you very much for listening today. Please do subscribe. Why not make a comment and tell us what you think, your identities, and tell me how you would like to see future bite-sized learning modules, content, any other information you'd like to see out there. So my name is Joanne Lockwood. Please do follow us on Facebook at See Change Happen, or my LinkedIn as Joe Lockwood. And if you send us an email to info@, then we'll send you a newsletter and put you on our mailing list. Well, thank you very much for now. Catch up with you next time. Bye.